Sports betting is a fun and popular hobby that millions of people around the globe enjoy. As one of the fastest growing markets in the world, more people are cashing in on the action by starting their own bookie business. By using the PricePerPlayer.com Bookie pay-per-head solution, all it takes is drive, knowledge, and a few hours a day to become a bookie. Hi, I'm Mitchell, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to be a bookie in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Knowledge. Being a bookie isn't all fun and glamour like you see in television shows and movies. It's a job that requires dedication and a basic knowledge of sports betting, from the different types of bets to how lines are set and how they move. You need to know it all. You don't need to be an expert, but just enough so that you can properly run the business. Of course, having some general knowledge of finance, marketing, and management will come in handy. Step 2. Research and planning. Without proper research and planning, having a successful bookie operation is nearly impossible. That is because it is a crucial part of the process that will save you a lot of headache in the future. First, where will your players come from? Different locations have different rules and regulations to abide by. In addition, knowing the sports betting market will determine the competition and future prospects of your business. Second, what kind of sportsbook operation do you want? Will it be a sports betting only site, or will you offer a variety of other gambling options? That kind of information is necessary for a proper sportsbook business plan. Step 3. Securing enough funds. Like any other business, you will need to secure enough money to get started. The good rule of thumb is to have enough money to cover unexpected gambling losses throughout an entire sports season. The amount will depend on how you manage your sportsbook. For example, if you have 10 to 20 players with a betting limit of $1,000 per bet, you will need at least $50,000 in capital. On the other hand, if you give them a wagering limit of $300 or less per game, then the amount needed will be considerably less. Step 4. Opening your Price Per Player bookie pay-per-head account. Now that you have the necessary knowledge and capital, it's time to open your own online sportsbook with PricePerPlayer.com. The best part about using PricePerPlayer.com is that you can start your own bookie business in a matter of minutes, and for as low as $2 per player. Part of the service includes sports betting, live betting, casino games, a live casino, and a racebook. First, go to www.priceperplayer.com and sign up for a bookie pay-per-head account. There are no upfront costs, and the first 2 weeks are free. Once you are signed up, you will get a complete bookie management system to operate a fully functional sportsbook. Plus, your players will get access to several sportsbook websites where they can place their bets right away. Step 5. Manage your sportsbook and earn money. The last step is the easiest one because PricePerPlayer.com provides you with all of the necessary tools to manage your sportsbook. Using these tools, a bookie can increase customer satisfaction, track wagers, manage finances, and maximize profits. As long as you properly manage your sportsbook and keep your players happy, the money will come. Now that you know how to easily become a bookie with PricePerPlayer.com, what are you waiting for? Visit www.priceperplayer.com or call 1-866-500-4934 and start your gambling business today.